Hey everyone, welcome to ByteBuddy Studio, your buddy for learning Python, coding in Google Colab, and building awesome projects step by step. Today we are going to write our very first Python program together. If you are brand new to coding, don't worry, I will guide you step by step. First, let's open Google Colab. Go to your browser. Google Colab is a free tool where you can write and run Python code without installing anything. Now click on New Notebook. A notebook is like a blank page where you will write your course. As we open our notebook, so first we will change our topic and it will write Python tutorial. As you can see, I have write Python tutorials. Now click. Now let's write our very first program. In the empty cell, type this line of the code. This tell Python to print the word inside the quotation mark. Now press Shift plus Enter to run it. So you just ran your first Python program and the output says hello ByteBuddy Studio. That's how easy it is to get started with coding in Python. And that's it for today. In the next video, we will explore more Python basics, build fun projects, and learn useful coding skill step by step. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can never miss a lesson. This is a ByteBuddy Studio. Let's keep coding on byte at a time. Bye.